Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Libras, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading that will follow this general guidance. If you want more clarity or if you want some answers for your questions, you may watch that reading that may give you the answers you seek. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. You can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description below. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies, Libras. We have Ace of Cups in reverse, Fool in reverse, and Ten of Swords. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who is really a cool-hearted, a cool-headed person. You take everything easily, you take everything in a very in a friendly manner. You are a really friendly person. But today, for some reason, there are certain things that is worrying you, and though you are trying to be friendly, though you are trying to do things the right way in your work or maybe friendly nature in this relationship, whatever efforts you are putting in, it may look like it's not giving that expected result. Maybe people do not appreciate you for what you are in truth, and you feel that you cannot trust anyone, lack of trust, a lot of doubts on people. And maybe in your life today, what this person is doing is simply worrying you. This is the person you love so much. You respect them, you care for them, but the way they are, maybe the words they speak or the things they do, it is something like backstabbing you. They are behaving in a different way away from you, maybe talking behind your back, talking badly behind your back. That may be the reason you feel really stressed or sad, and maybe for some of you their intentions are not good. You love them, but this person is here not for love. So that is what makes you really sad or stressed or crying today. You cannot take it anymore. You have seen a lot, and it is really difficult to understand this person's behavior. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Justice in reverse. So maybe in this relationship, you are a person quite devoted, and you are someone who wants to do things the right way. Maybe you follow a set of rules and you have certain beliefs and ideals, and you are someone to follow that. You never give up on your values or never give up on your ideals, whatever you have. But this person is really a cool-headed, a cool-hearted person. They take anything and everything easily, and they are so easygoing. And that may be the reason for troubles in this relationship. Maybe you want commitment, but their way of thinking is different. They are here just to have fun, enjoy. That may be the reason for troubles in this connection, guys. And they may see you as someone rigid, someone holding on to their ideas, or someone not willing to be really flexible no matter what. That may be the reason things are going downhill in this relationship. Sadness and depression is what you see, because this person is not someone who will listen to you. So that may be the reason for a lot of sadness or pain in this connection. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstance. We have picked one card, Two of Cups. So in your work circumstances, maybe you are moving towards a partnership or a collaboration, something good, something that is going to help you a lot today, that is going to increase your work potential, and you are going to see success very soon in your career situation, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card for those who chose this card. It says Orphaned. So in your circumstances today, in your relationship, you are in a situation where you feel that you are unable to fit in. You don't have that sense of belonging in this relationship. Some kind of uncertainty is there today in this connection. And the reasons may be because we are all unique beings and we are all evolving spiritually and emotionally. So we are committed to our own growth, and when we long for people to support us in this difficult path, we may be disappointed or even hurt by the people who are with us, because the way they are, maybe their actions or their words, they may not understand what we are going through, because each and every one of us are in different stages of personal growth. Maybe this person is at another stage and we are at another stage, and we are in this relationship, maybe we are in a new connection where we do not share the same vision, share our values and beliefs, and each of us may have different values and beliefs. That may be the reason we do not feel so close with this person. That sense of belonging may not be there. So you need to accept things as it is today, whatever is happening, and you can be you can rest assured that spirit or that higher power or God, whatever you call it, will steer you in the direction of people who will appreciate you for whatever you are, without any artifice, without any agenda. So you don't have to compromise anything to be in this relationship just for that sense of belonging because it won't be worth the price. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Vasila the Brave. And with this card, for those who chose this card, you are going through a difficult circumstance, but you need not worry. You are going to come out of this situation much wiser, much stronger than before, and you will pass any test that you have been put through today. And maybe in your life you have someone close to you. It may be a family member, it may be your mother or a sibling, a woman maybe for some of you. And this person is your strength, this person is your guiding light. And maybe for some of you, you have a very strong parent, you have that strong motherly love, you have experienced that in your life, and this love and knowledge is guiding you each and every day. And maybe in your heart of hearts, when you are making some important choices, you may hear a very calm voice telling you what you need to do. That is your intuition. You must listen to it. So you have a very a sensitive spirit, something telling you what to do, and it may be a wisdom that has been passed on from your parents or from your grandmother, someone who was very close to you. And in any situation, whatever difficulties you are seeing, if you listen to this voice, you are going to make the right decision, the right choice today. And you need to understand that there may be a time of separation from family members or friends, but you need to do your best. You need to try and do whatever needs to be done. Do not lose heart in this circumstance. And from this darkness, you are going to move towards a greatest light in your life, and you are going to face all your fears with courage and knowledge and wisdom. And there is a time of a new beginning coming in your life. So circumstances are definitely changing. All you need to do is face your situation with strength and determination, courage, and listen to your intuition that is going to guide you all the way through. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.